Good morning, students. Today we will study Chapter 7 Internet Services. In this chapter, we will learn history of Internet, uses of Internet, connecting to the Internet, types of the Internet, Internet safety, social networking. So, first of all, we will know what is Internet. Internet is a network of networks. It is a network of networks, and there are millions of computers are interconnected across the world. Internet, we can say also, internet, it is a fast and economic medium of communication, because we can communicate through the internet worldwide. Anywhere in this world, any person is anywhere, we can communicate through the internet. So here, first of all, we will study what is that history of internet. So what are the history of the internet that we will know. In year 1969, the US Department of Defense sponsored a project to connect itself with different universities. Okay, the project was named ARPANET, ARPANET. The full form, it stands for Advanced Research Project Agency Network. This ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. This was the first step for exchanging data and messages between computer systems that were connected together. So this was the first step towards the internet, that is the ARPANET. And here we are first time we are exchanging our data and messages to the other through the computer system. Around the mid 80s, around the 80s, National Science Foundation, NSF, who NSF, National Science Foundation, created NFSnet. Okay, NFSnet, a high capacity network that had better capability than ARPANET. So now this NSF has created one another type of network which is more advanced than the ARPANET. As time passed, many private companies started creating their own networks. Various private networks together with ARPANET and NFSnet led to the formation of global network over the year and come to known as internet. So the first step was taken by the ARPANET, and then after NSF. Okay, then after many private companies were come together, and by the help of these two, ARPANET and NSF, this combined by this combined effort by this all, so they have created a global network over the year, and that is known as now internet. Okay, today's billions of users connected to the internet at any given time using various devices and methods. So we can connect to the billions of persons or billions of computers, they are connected through the internet. Now first of all, that is the now what is the use of the internet, so that we will know the uses of internet. So the first use is like email. So email, it allows us to, email stands for electronic mail. Okay, this allows us to get touch with the people from any corner to the world within second, provided we have their emails address. Some of the email services providers like Gmail, Yahoo, Microsoft, like that is the Hotmail. So by the help of these email providers, we can exchange our messages. Email is nothing but like a letter. Earlier we are writing the letter on the paper and posting on through the post office, but it is through the same thing we are writing on the computer and sending it. Okay, but it is a electronically, it is not a paper based. So which is the email. Now instant messaging services, that is called chatting. Instant messaging services make it possible to send messages to our contact and also chat with them online. Yahoo Messenger and Google Talk are highly popular services for online chatting services. These days, video conferencing through Skype has also become quite common. Okay, so here you can see, that is like chatting is that already you're familiar with this word. Chatting means we can send our messages to the another person, and it is sent in the real time. Okay, just I write something hi hi, the same time it will be sent to the other person also, and they can also reply. Sometimes we are also having the video conferencing, means we can see them and we can talk to them. So that is called video conferencing, and that is possible through the Skype. Now there is a search engine. Search engine is a powerful engine like Google, Yahoo, MSN help us to getting the required information within second by searching the world wide web. So how you can search? By the www, World Wide Web. This search engine is nothing but anything you want to search on the internet. So you will type that. This search engine will help you to get the suggested information, the related information through the internet. Now next we have, which is business. Powerful e-commerce portal such as eBay, Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, such help they help to users to buy product. Also online sites such as these online sites such as irctc.in and makemytrip.com allow users to book travel tickets online sitting at the comforts of one's home. So this is the business. There is online business also. We can shopping through the internet like Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra, Snapdeal. So we are see at the from the home we can buy these products also. And also we want to go somewhere, we want to travel, we can plan our journey also through the booking the ticket through the irctc, make my trip. Through these sites we can plan our journey, we can book our ticket. So it's a become very easy. And this is very this is for the business purpose also. So those who are providing this commercial sites like Flipkart, Amazon or irctc, so they are earning money also. So this is from the business purpose also. Now next we have the online banking. Using the net banking services, user can check their account details and do online transaction. Internet banking has also facilitated transfer of payment online such as house rents, water bills, electricity bills, property tax, income tax, etc. So online banking has allows to means that you want to pay something. Suppose your electric bill is there. So you for that earlier we are going to the office and we are paying that. Nowadays you simply just log in the site of that electrical site. Okay, and there is option to pay the bill. So through the online banking you can pay it. So directly your money will be deducted from your account and it will be paid to the your it will be transferred your money to the electricity department. Now next, that is entertainment. Okay, so entertainment is that like internet users these days have access to the thousands of movies online. Also with the help of website you can website like YouTube, viewers make the teaching programs, tutorials, watching online videos. Okay, furthermore there are number of online gaming sites that offer free entertainment for internet users. So we can get entertained from the internet also. We can watch the videos, movie, music from, also play the game. So many things are provided there. So best example is YouTube. Okay, now real time updates means suppose any news like that. Online news portals allow users to view the latest update happening around the world as soon as content is published on the web. Suppose something will happen now, something is happen, any incident is happen today, it now at this time. So if you will read that news on paper based news, which is a newspaper, so that news you will get the next day, means tomorrow you will get. But by the help of internet the same news you can access now only. So you can just real time updates you will be updated. But in the case of newspaper it will be updated tomorrow, because that newspaper will be published today and you will get tomorrow. So that is so by the help of this internet we can get the real time updates. Next we have the social networking. Okay, so social networking sites like Facebook, LinkedIn have helped people to get touch with the lost content and also connected virtually with new people with the similar. Social networking is just like Facebook. So Facebook means like some people you have not connected, means suppose some they are staying very far or you are not connected with them, you are not watching them every day, means that you are not able to meet every day. But but by the help of Facebook you can be connected with them. Some new friends also you are making. So means your new friends are there, means you can interact with the different people also through this social networking. Research, the internet enables research to quickly locate relevant information online. In the research, suppose anything you want to search or about that you are researching for the for the any point you are researching, for the any topic you are researching, you are getting the information regarding that particular subject, so you can get through the internet also. From the internet you will get the many information through that of that particular. Next we have education. The internet has facilitated the evaluation of e-learning, wherein students and teachers can interact through together a common platform by means the virtual classroom, online courses materials, self-paced tutorials, online test, quizzes, as well as simulation and games makes visible available a variety of learning experience that makes learning fun and fruitful. So by the help of this internet we have the online education also that we are doing also now. This by the help of this WhatsApp, YouTube, and all the platforms, we are having this online classes. We can teach, we can get, you can study also. So this is possible by the help of internet. Okay.